Mama, there ain't no goddamn food in this house.
Baby, I'm grilling some coon on the fire right now.
Alright, Mama.
Sugar Plum, I'm home from work.
Oh, baby, how was work?
It was alright. I arrested some hoodlums down at the saloon.
Nice.
Nice.
What you cooking for dinner, baby mama?
I'm grilling that coon you ran over the other day.
Oh, baby, you know how I love your coon.
Lizzie, set up the plates for dinner.
Whatever, Mama.
Daryl, we haven't said grace yet.
Hands together. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus, for this delicious coon on this Tuesday afternoon.
Thank you, sweet baby Jesus.
Cletus, how was your day today?
My day was fantastic. How was your day, baby mama?
Carl, quit biting. It was alright. How was yours, kids?
I punched Billy Bob today in the face with my fist.
That's my girl.
Baby, you know fighting isn't ladylike.
But Mama,
There are no buts in this house.
Carol, how was your day?
I wrestled an alligator earlier.
Did you kill it?
Yeah, gonna make me some alligator jerky tonight.
Hey, Cletus, Carl looks like he wants some coon.
Pass him over, baby mama.
Alright.
hey Paul, are we gonna finish Betsy the Tractor?
Yeah, we'll finish it when everyone's done eating. Are y'all done for dinner?
Hell yeah.
Let's get her done.
Let's get her done.
Ah!